This is Rahul from Hyderabad. This is my assignment from Sky Labs for seismic resistant design of tall buildings. Here, as you can see, I have designed and I have modeled the tall 23-story building. Here you can view the rendered view. Here you can rotate it as well. And then I have assigned the dead loads. I have assigned the live loads, and even I have defined the uh, I've even defined the seismic loads and the time history here, time history function here. Here we run analysis for the building, set load cases to run. As we are doing seismic design, we need not run analysis for dead and live load cases. Run now. We can see the progress of analysis at the left bottom. We wait for the software to run the analysis. Okay, once analysis is done, one can right click on any point, any node or any node for the displacement values. Here it gives rotation and displacement values in XYZ directions. Okay, once the analysis is over, we go to design, concrete frame design, view references, see that the design code is IS 456 2000. Click on OK. Design concrete frame, start design / check. Wait for the software to run the design. Once the design is over, one can check the uh, longitudinal reinforcement values displayed here, and right click on any frame member. It will give the reinforcement reinforcement details, and we can view the story response plots. Shows the maximum displacement at this story and the minimum displacement at this story. As we have seen the seismic resistant design using time history method, now we'll see how to design a building. You design a seismic resistant building using response spectrum method. So I have modeled the building, I have defined live load, dead load, etc., and I have defined the seismic loads. As you can see, seismic loads using IS 1893, and then I have defined the response spectrum load case, and I have as well defined the response spectrum function. And now we run and then we no need to assign the seismic load cases. It is self assigned, and then we analyze this building load cases to run. As we are doing seismic design, there is no need to run analysis for dead and live load cases. Run now. We wait for the software to run the analysis. One can check the analysis progress at the left bottom of the screen. Once the analysis is done, one can move the cursor and check the reaction values, and right click at any node will give you the displacement and rotation values in X, Y and Z directions. And we can anyone can view all the uh, force stress diagrams, that is the bending moment diagrams, shear force diagrams, etc. Here F22, apply, and here this is the shear force diagram of the shells. Okay, and once the analysis is done, we go for design, view reference IS 456, and then design concrete frame design, start design check. We wait for the software to complete the design. Once the software has done the design, we can see that it's saying the 18 concrete frames have failed the design check. Do you want to reiterate analysis and design? If we click on yes, as we have assigned the auto select properties to the beam and column, if we click on yes, the software will automatically assign the next size of the member assigned in the in the auto select property, and then it carries out the analysis and design, and we reiterate the design until the until all the members pass the analysis. If you click on no, and once the analysis and design is done, the software shows the longitudinal reinforcements here. One can right click on the on any member and check the reinforcement details, and the software also generates full report, as you can see here, the summary report and the project report. Thank you.